A lot of people tell me they want to travel, but they're too scared to leave home. So the best travel advice I can give to anyone is just 2 words long. Just go! The hardest part about traveling is to start, because we always tend to overthink things. So if you just go, then you are putting yourself in a position to step out of your comfort zone. To take that initial leap of faith, to book that long flight, and once you're on the road, you'll never look back. I've never ever heard someone say that they've regretted traveling. Being spontaneous leads to new adventures, meeting new people, trying new foods, and having out-of-body experiences. That's the beauty of travel. The most fun place on earth. You may have noticed recently I've been wearing these shirts with a Just Go logo on it. It's my new merchandise that I will be selling for only 2 weeks starting right now. If you like this motto, or you just support the daily videos that I've been creating for the last 18 months, then the best way you can give back is by purchasing one of these cool new shirts to wear on your next trip. Simply click the link below to place your order. You can choose your size and color from black, purple, red, light blue, or dark blue, and it will be shipped right away to your doorstep. The shirt is $18.99 plus $4 shipping if you live in the US, or $9 if you live in any other country. As part of this announcement, I will be giving away 10 free shirts in the next 24 hours. To enter, simply tag 3 friends who would like this shirt and tell me where you're gonna wear it when it first arrives. All winners will be randomly chosen in the next 24 hours. Good luck and happy travels. I'm Binsky, and if you like my travel videos, please click subscribe and join me as I plan to visit every country in the world.